Don't spend it all in one place. The secret ingredient. Thanks for nothing. Oh yes, her. Breaking wind bad. Happy holidays. It pays to be awesome. Notable server. The music business is a fickle world indeed. Willing to bet the kittens would prefer Kibble. Best haiku ever. This customer will have none of that. You really can pick up just about anything at Target. What type of Snickers? At least they are honest. When Mathematicians Tip. Mitch Gets It. Well played, receipt. Well played. Proof that it pays to have well-behaved young ones.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.